So when it comes to losing fat, we should consider filling up our plate with whole foods. I'm talking about naturally nutrient-dense foods which could help us with our metabolism, could help us also to lose that fat quickly. I'm talking about lean meats. I am also talking about nuts and grains and vegetables and fruits. Try this approach and see those fat melt away. Looking to really lose fat? Consider being hydrated throughout the day. We cannot forget about hydration. It helps with many things in our body, including losing fat. Many times, we may confuse hunger for thirst. So before you snack on something junky, try drinking some water. It may keep you fuller longer without you craving those unwanted junk foods. So try drinking more water, stay hydrated. It will help you to lose those fat. Okay, we cannot forget about movement. Movement is one of those pillars we should consider when coming to losing fat. Find something you enjoy. It could be anything. It could be brisk walks, walking through nature, swimming, yoga, Pilates, hiring a coach or trainer to work you out. Or it could just be riding a bicycle, anything that you enjoy that increase movement. Movement is life. Movement will help you to burn and destroy those unwanted fat. One thing we overlook when it comes to losing fat, that is prioritizing sleep. Sleep is vitally important when it comes to losing fat. It helps to regulate your hormones, repairing the cells, and much more, brain function, but is really critical for us when it comes to losing fat. In the night, when we sleep, our body activates something called brown fat, which helps to burn the unwanted fat away from our body. To get good quality sleep, it will help you a long way. We all know and we all heard, stress kills. Stress helps you to eat more. Yes, high stress or more stress may help us to gain more weight. So consider finding something that could help to reduce the stress. It could be anything. For me, I love playing the piano. I love reading books. That help me to de-stress. Find something that works for you. That could be deep breathing, meditation, some self-care time or me time. All those stuff may help you to reduce the stress, in return help you to lose those fat. Losing fat, we have to consider processed food. We have to be very mindful of what go in, so reduce the amount of processed food you consume. For me, I would say no processed food. I will consider substituting the stuff that I love that is processed with something with more healthier choice. For example, I may use popcorn or eat popcorn instead of Doritos. I do love Doritos, but I will choose a healthier choice. So find your alternation or something that you could substitute for something you like that is heavily processed, so you could have a healthier choice, in return helping to reduce the amount of fat. Try that approach and see yourself burn those fat away. Last but not least, be patient and consistent. That is key, that is vital. We are looking to not just lose those fat for now, we're looking to have a better quality of life. So we need to be persistent and consistent with ourselves. Try not to beat yourself up like I did in the past. We didn't see any results in a week or two and we throw in the towel. No. When it comes to the natural approach, we have to be persistent and patient. Be consistent and you will see the results. So let's wrap it up. We learned a lot of tips that you could use to help you to lose fat all naturally. I would suggest try one or two of them. Or if you're very ambitious, try all. Try it out for yourself and see those fat just melt away. I hope this information was informative. I hope you was able to see the possibility, get a breakthrough, and I wish you the best on your fat loss journey. Till next time, stay fit and healthy.